Okay, we will reconvene here. Two things we have to finish up or get the finding of facts, and then we also have a resolution that we have to pass here. So I will read this, and then each attorney will be able to have a copy of it. Okay?
Okay.
All right. In the history, this action was initiated by recommendation of City of Peru Police Chief Bree Rainey that respondent, Sam Finnegan, be terminated from his employment with the Peru Police Department. Notice of the recommendation and reasons were provided to Finnegan pursuant to law. The respondent requested a hearing pursuant to Indiana Code 36834. Finnegan was placed on administrative leave pending a hearing without pay. He requested a hearing before the Board of Public Safety pursuant to Indiana Code 36834C. In response to notice of hearing as required was sent by City Attorney William Berkshire, dated March 9, 2015. The notice alleges 4 violations of Peru Police Department rules and regulations. Because City Attorney William Berkshire serves as a member of the Board of Safety, he may not participate as a safety board member in the disciplinary hearing pursuant to Indiana Code 36834 or 834C. The board and the mayor appointed Bruce Carson to serve as a hearing member officer for the purpose of providing a full board. Finnegan has no objection. Jurisdiction. On June 4, 2015, a disciplinary hearing was commenced pursuant to Indiana Code 36834 at the request of Finnegan. The Board of Public Safety was composed of Mayor James Walker, Member Steve Goff, and hearing member Bruce Carson. The board appointed Patrick J. Roberts as their legal advisor to ensure their independence from the city attorney. The department was represented by William Berkshire and respondent was represented by Ed Merchant. Both the city attorney and attorney Ed Merchant consented to appearing before the board as partially constituted with a notation that Finnegan did not participate in the selection of Carson or Roberts. Carson's oath of office is attached. Finnegan, by council's oral motion, requested the recusal of the mayor from the board because he was a potential witness and served as a member of the police pension board. That request was denied. This disciplinary hearing was conducted pursuant to Indiana Code 36834 on June 24, 2015. The Board of Public Safety admitted and accepted all documents offered by the respective parties. Factual findings and conclusions based upon evidence at the hearing. The board orders the following findings as to specific charges and conduct alleged in the letter to Sam Finnegan dated March 9, 2015. Paragraph 1, alleging conduct unbecoming an officer and being untruthful. The board finds for the respondent and against the department for a reason that the department did not sustain their burden of proof. As to paragraph 2, disobeying a direct order. The board finds for the respondent and against the department by reason they did not sustain their burden of proof. As to paragraph 3, absent without authorization. The board finds the respondent, Finnegan, was absent without authorization on March 2nd, 3rd, and 4th, 2015. Each absent day is a separate offense. The respondent did not request to be absent for the days stated above. Respondent submitted testimony that he did not see any form or application for FMLA benefits which were faxed to the city. He further testified he did not apply for either short or long-term disability benefits. The offense is a level B violation of rules. It is a second offense within 5 years. The respondent had 3 previous Class C violations according to the discipline matrix, which was determined on December 3rd, 2014. As to paragraph 4, failure to appear for deposition, the board finds for the respondent for failure to sustain the department's burden of proof. Conclusion and decision. The City of Peru Board of Public Safety, having met, considered all testimony, exhibits, rules, statutory authority, and the statements of council now concludes that Respondent Sam Finnegan should be disciplined for his conduct on or about March 2nd, 3rd, and 4th, 2015 for violation of rule, absent without authorization, and that his employment be terminated pursuant to Chief Ray Rainey's recommendation and the board's determination that Officer Finnegan's violation of rule, absent without authorization, with previous violations, warrants termination pursuant to the disciplinary matrix. We also conclude Officer Finnegan did not violate department rules alleged in paragraphs 1, 2, and 4 of the March 9th, 2015 notice. This decision is effective June 24th, 2015, and is adopted by resolution this date. So ordered by the City Approved Board of Public Safety this 24th day of June 2015. With that, we have a resolution. This is resolution number 8, 2015. A resolution adopting special findings of fact and terminating the appointment of Sam Finnegan. Whereas the Board of Public Safety has concluded a hearing pursuant to Indiana Code 36834 entitled The Matter of Sam Finnegan, and whereas the Board of Public Safety has prepared and signed their decision and specific findings of fact pursuant to Indiana Code 36834C, which is incorporated by reference and attached. Now therefore be it resolved that the decision and special findings of fact pursuant to Indiana Code 36834E are hereby adopted. That Officer Sam Finnegan is hereby dismissed as a member of the Police Department and his employment and benefits terminated immediately. An appeal of the Board of Safety decision must be taken by filing an appeal in the Miami Superior or Circuit Court within 30 days following the date of the decision and this resolution pursuant to Indiana Code 36834F. The decision of the Safety Board shall be in full force and effect from and after the passage of the resolution. And this will be passed and enacted by vote on the 24th day of June 2015. So we need a motion to adopt Resolution 8, 2015.
I would make a motion to adopt resolution number 8, 2015.
Second.
And it has been moved and seconded to adopt Resolution 8, 2015. Any questions? All in favor, signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carries 3-0. And Mr. Roberts, I believe that concludes the business today.
Well, I think Jackie has to attest to the documents and
Yeah, once we sign these.
distribute those to Bill and Ed. Jackie, I think the oath of office on him is in your office, so you got a big copy attached to that.
Mr. Merchant.
This one? Test it.
I gave them the copy of the findings of fact. Do you want a copy of the resolution as well?
I don't need it right now, no.
Mr. Merchant, would you like a copy of the resolution as well?
Yes, please.
Okay, we'll get it. Jack, you want to make Mr. Merchant?
Oh, here. Here's your copy. We just have to
There are
sign.
plenty of
Yeah, you
copies.
go ahead and sign that.
Okay.
Okay.
You need a copy of it, and the lawyers do. I don't think Bill won one, but I'll give Ed one.
Mr. Merchant?
Yes.
There's a copy of the resolution for me.
I think you need to deliver that to
Thank you.
Mr. Finnegan.
I'm sorry?
I said it needs to be delivered to Mr. Finnegan. It gives him his right to appeal.
Sure, absolutely.
Okay. Anything else, Mr. Roberts? Okay. Okay, we're adjourned.